Hey folks, long time no see, long time no hear. Let's do some hacking today. I promised you to record Cortex Code skills video. We voted on LinkedIn together. The Cortex Code skills came up as the first winner, so got the most votes. So let's see what Cortex Code skills are, and let me show you what I figured out about it. Cortex Code realm consists of two places. We have Cortex Code and Snowsight, and Cortex Code and CLI. Somehow skills are mentioned as a CLI feature. Bear with me, we're going to prove it wrong. But for the purpose of this exercise, we want to create a new skill. What is a Cortex Code skill? It's well, for lack of a better word, new skill or a new workflow that you teach Cortex Code. It's, in my opinion, just a list of reproducible steps that you wanted to be able to do consistently and same every time. So you document what it should be doing and you give the list to it. Okay. It's also having this nice domain-specific instruction capability when to use the skill and tool configurations. So we'll try to build the skill. To find the skill, you're supposed to do /skill list to see available skills, and then here you can also see where the skills are stored and how to create a custom skill. This is exactly what we're going to be doing, except for I tried before starting to hit record in this video, I tried to create it in the CLI. And unfortunately, I am at the moment not able to use Cortex Code CLI. So this is the connection failure which I'm getting. And I think it has to do, at the moment of this recording, it has to do with the Cortex Code code base, because there is no set an SDK or provide an SDK loader available to me in the configuration of connection in Cortex Code inside. So if you face something like this, do what I do, report this. I reported this to the discourse in the Cortex Code thread, so I suspect it's going to be solved soon. But in the meantime, I still want to show you a Cortex Code skill. So I actually think we're going to do some hacking today. Let's do the following. We're going to go to workspaces, and I will do the Cortex Code already here open, and I'm using the light theme today. By the way, let me know, I got a feedback that it's better to use the light theme when you are recording videos, so here I am following best practice. So let's do the first thing, what I remember. Let's check if we can actually use this command directly in CoCO in the Snowsight. So I'm trying to see if I can follow the instructions from the documentation, but do it in Snowsight, because I cannot use CLI at the moment. And it seems like I have a couple of skills already available for me. And that's very interesting what we have here by default: cost management, machine learning, and data governance. Okay, let's see what other things I wanted to be testing here. So I cannot run make dir in .cortex in CLI. So let's ask CoCO if it can do it itself. And let's see what it comes up with. I wanted to make a new Cortex Code skill, and it can help me create a new Cortex Code skill. It will live in .snowflake, which is very interesting, and skill name.skill. I want a data quality skill for, I think I have aroma candles DB tables. Check for all main data quality points, completion, and non-emptiness, etc. Let's see if that's enough. So what I'm doing here is I'm making Cortex Code write the skill for itself. So it will create, it should create a new file, and it's now checking if the .snowflake exists. And look, it found that Snowflake directory inside the workspace, which is super cool. And it built Cortex skill data quality skill. Let's see what's in this div. Now it just created a new file for me, which I really like. I'll keep it all just so we have like a good way to go through it. Data quality on aroma candle DB, data completion, duplicates, and so on. Target data quality checks. Transactions, product reviews, fantastic. Quality dimensions to check. Completeness, null analysis, great. Non-emptiness, good. Uniqueness, validity, consistency, timeliness, comprehensive quality report, and so on. Looks great. So in, I guess, just a few minutes, we've created a list of reproducible steps for Cortex Code. And now I want to run this. So is it, I'm not sure if that's the right, so let's just test if this is the right way to make this skill execute. Yes, using skill data quality. And I want you to run comprehensive report. So basically now I can make Cortex Code do this every time when I want, and I think it's pretty awesome. Data staleness, well, of course, it's a synthetic data, and this data isn't particularly updated. I wouldn't be surprised to see this, but this looks fantastic. So what we learned from this, with the Cortex Code skill, even in Snowsight, regardless what the documentation mentions at the moment, we are able to create a list of reproducible steps, a workflow if you wish, and make it run when we want. I am pretty sure if this would be my production data, I could code in some folder quality steps, but you know, it doesn't have to be data quality. I'm really excited about this. I think having this opportunity directly in Snowsight is also top-notch. So I am looking forward to seeing what Cortex Code skills pop up. I almost feel like it should be some marketplace for it or something like this, but we'll get there in a due time. For now, thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing, hopefully sharing my excitement about Cortex Code skills. And let me know what you're building yourself. I'm really curious to hear what things you're using Cortex Code for. And on that, I wish you all a fantastic time and see you soon.